Hey friends, if you encounter the Valorant Error Code VAL 5, the game has lost connection, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. Now first is open your task manager. Best match, click on that. Then here in the task manager window, you need to look for the Valorant processes right here or the Riot client. So if you find that, just simply make a right click. Let's say, for example, this one, right click and then select End Task. And also for the details, you need to look for Valorant or the Riot client. And if you find that, just simply make a right click and then select End Task. Once done, close this window. Then we are going to check for the VGC service if this is running. So search for services in the Windows search bar, best match. Go ahead and click that. Then here, scroll down to letter V and look for the VGC service. If you find that, right-click, select Properties, Startup Type, make sure this is automatic, and then click on Start. Click on Apply, and then OK. Once done, close this window, and you just have to restart your Windows, and then right after that, try to check if the problem has been fixed. Then for the last method is you are going to run some commands in the command prompt. So type CMD in the Windows search bar. Best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here you need to type NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset and hit enter. And for the last command, it's ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. And then just type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And once you have restarted your Windows, launch your Valorant application and enjoy the game. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.